In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer payment in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, open your Odoo dashboard. You can access it by navigating to your Odoo URL in your browser. If you're not already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials. The dashboard is your starting point where you can find all the apps and functionalities Odoo offers. Next, we need to navigate to the Accounting application. Look for the Accounts app icon on your dashboard. It's often labeled simply as Accounting. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you deeper into your financial management tools where you can handle all things related to accounts and payments. Once you're in the Accounting app, look for the Customers section. Click on the Customers option. This will open a list of all your customers and their related financial interactions. From here, you can easily find the payment records associated with your customers. After you've clicked on Customers, it's time to look for Payments. In the Accounting app menu, you should see a tab or section labeled Payments. Click on this option to access the list of all customer payments recorded within the system. Now you'll see a table or a list with various payment records. Identify the specific payment you want to delete. Click on that payment record to open its detailed view. This view will show you all the information relevant to that payment, and you'll be able to see the payment's history and status. Once you are inside the payment record, look for a gear icon or settings button. This is typically the action button and is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options available for the payment record you've selected. Now, in this drop-down menu, you should see the option to delete. Go ahead and click on it. Odoo wants to ensure that you understand the weight of this action, so before the deletion takes place, you will see a confirmation message pop up on your screen. This is important. It's a safeguard to ensure you really want to delete the payment record. Finally, to complete the deletion process, you'll need to confirm that you actually want to delete this payment. Click on the Delete button on the confirmation message. And just like that, the payment record will be permanently removed from your system. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a customer payment in Odoo. It's pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Remember, it's essential to double-check before you proceed with deleting any payment records, as this action is usually irreversible. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy managing with Odoo.